It's Black History Month, and I am here with another Did You Know? So, hey, let's talk about the incredible economic power of the Black community. Our spending decisions can shape economies and build wealth within our communities. So, it is crucial that we teach our children the power of their dollar and the importance of supporting Black owned businesses. You can kick this off with a simple exercise by just having your child, have your teenager Google or research what are some of the largest Black owned businesses in the US. I bet the answers would surprise you. We are across all industries, and as you get smaller and get more local, there are so many Black owned businesses that you are able to support. If this is something you and your family are interested in, a fantastic start is to pick up this book, Our Black Year: One Family's Quest to Buy Black in America's Radically Divided Economy. This book was written by Maggie Anderson and it's available on Amazon. So check out our curated list of Black history finds in our Amazon store. It's going to offer you some valuable insights into conscious consumerism.